Next section, types of cultural traits. First, material culture. Example, pen, pencil, tools. Non-material culture. Example, belief, values, ideas, knowledge. Look at this iceberg. The visible aspect of culture is material culture, including dress, food, language, lecture, music, game, rituals, visual arts, festivals. The non-visual aspect of culture is non-material, including belief, communication style, values, emotions, handling, notations of time management, handling physical space, competition versus cooperation, ethics, etc. Cultural traits. According to Clark Wissler, speech and material traits, food habits, shelter, transportation, dress, utensil, tools, occupation and industries, etc. Look at this picture. Relationship, customs, roles, rituals, communication, practices, values, expected behaviors, thought, manner of interacting, language, etc. Art, mythology and scientific, religious practices, family and social systems, property, government, war. Elements of culture. Social organizations, technology and material culture, law and policies, aesthetics, language, religion, values and attitudes, education. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.